Hey.
Hey. So, finally, Akhil Rao.
Hey, Noyona, Nayana, I don't want to get this wrong.
It's no you.
Okay, hey, Noyona. Should we sit?
Absolutely. Let's sit.
So, what do you have? Coffee, green tea, juice?
How about a whiskey sour?
Oh, bold.
Life's short, you see.
You sure have a way of making a point, but without...
Without making a point, right?
I was just about to not finish that because a smart-ass interview is a turn-off, I'm sure. You know, guys trying to be too cool.
Occupational hazard, you see.
Well, I left my smart-ass chip at home, so I guess all you have is just me.
Which looks good enough to me.
Waiter, whiskey sour for the lady, just water for me.
You definitely need some water.
आधे घंटे में मुझे ऑफिस वापस जाना है।
आधा घंटा मतलब बहुत कुछ हो सकता है।
So how did you guys stand out? Is casual sex something you knew really well, is it?
I mean, sex is also human behavior, right? And in today's times, we just want to hook up without much else.
Go on. I hear you.
Or catch up, but we've combined modern dating with food habits. Also, food and sex go together. Like kisi level pe, they satisfy the basic hunger. So our algorithm is primed for great chemistry via food habits. Isile we say, when taste matches, rest matches.
What do you think about our chemistry? Right here, right now.
It's good.
What about an early dinner? I've heard it's really good for head. You know, where we can match our taste and then figure out the rest.
Oh, shit. No. I am so sorry. You know, today is just one of those days. मुझे यहाँ पर एक और meeting है और वो कब खत्म होगी? No idea.
Sad, but all right.
Hey, lekin, this was fab. Catch up soon?
Yeah, sure. Hopefully, super soon.
Yeah.
See you.
See you. मेरे बेचारे hormones, Panku. This is on you.
Done for the day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You can clear the food.
Excuse me.
Okay, ma'am.
Can I have my check, please?
Sure, sir.
Hey, is this food so good that you need to get pictures to see them later?
Well, I do it to avoid cute men who think they're damn cool. You know the types.
Cute? Who? Me?
Long day at work. Wanna get a drink?
Sure.
Spoons कहाँ रखे हैं?
Phones है? Hello. Spoons है?
ओ बाबा ने लेके सारे चम्मच चुप शिकता था।
Okay. मुझे ऑफिस जाना है, मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, but it doesn't seem like I have a choice.